Hey everybody, it's Lola here, back with some stuff that I randomly got. So today was free day at Motor City Casino, if you guys like it, and I got this chair. Who doesn't love a free chair? And at the casino, the heck, you can use the C charger, you can use an iPhone, or you can have a regular phone. What the heck? Go to the casino, guys. They're giving out stuff. I didn't even know. Today I'm talking about Young Living. Oh yeah, guys. Essential oils. If you guys don't know what it is, neither do I. This is my first time, actually opening it. So, I bet I get some scissors if I need it. Hold on. Let's see if I can do it. So, probably seen them at parties or seen them on Facebook or whatever. Essential oils are basically, I ordered the kit. So, in the kit, you get all your starter stuff. And this is basically to sell the stuff, but we'll see what we got. So, they don't. Man. Okay, so here's the little booklet, a little newsletter that comes with it. That's pretty cool. It tells you about the company and everything that's going on. This is the first time I'm seeing this, so you guys, I don't know what's in here, but it has Thrive's household cleaning, which I heard really good things about. Lemon Vitality 5 milliliters promo, and Thrive's dish soap 12 ounces, Peace and Calming 2 milliliters, or it's 5 milliliters, and the premium starter kit with a desert mist diffuser. The whole kit and caboodle to start off is $224, but so worth it, because if you guys are like me and have allergies and you guys love to have your place smelling good, it's totally worth it. So what we'll start with is the cleaning stuff. So here is the Thieves, is that what it is? Thieves? Fresh citrus scent, and I just smelled it because my cousin just got it, so it smells so good. It smells like lemons and oranges. It's very citrusy, and it's essential oil infused, so afterwards it's going to be on your hands, it's going to soak up in your skin and everything. Also, I got a Young Living's essential oils from the fields to your family. So basically it's this big huge thing. Oh, and it has everything that's included inside. So basically it's this little big box, and there you have it. Oh my god, I can smell it already. And it comes with a little booklet too. I'll have to read that later. So, oh yeah, this is nice. Really nice. Peppermint is what I can smell. Lavender, citrus, raven, panway. Oh. If you guys want some, I have asthma problems, so if you guys really like essential oils, I definitely recommend either going onto their website and ordering. You can order through me, or you can do whatever you want. Find it at the store. And then it has Thieves Household Cleaner, essential oil infused. So, put that on your toilet. What is this? I think this is the top of that. Oh no, these are 2 extra. I don't know how they get it out. Ugh. There we go. These are 2 extra ones that they give you that are either their best sellers or they're just now coming out with it. So it's Peace and Calming 2 and Lemon. So I think that these are their best sellers. Really nice. Okay, and then comes with booklets. Comes with a booklet on like stuff and selling stuff and how much it is. That's pretty cool, what to do. And then Essential Oils magazine. How cool is that? Like, it has desserts that you can do. It's a cookbook. That is so sweet. So, on top of that, we have the diffuser itself, which I just saw my cousin's. It looks so sweet. So, I got this from my cousin's girlfriend. Her name's Brittany. So I'll put her link down below because she sells this stuff. And I would rather you guys go through her than I. Or if you can go through I. Doesn't matter. Oh, look at this thing. You see that? Look how pretty that is. When you put your stuff in there, it's so cool. The bottom comes off. Ooh. Get back in the hole. It has the on-off switch and a light. And then it has the thing. And then, to my surprise, I got another FabFitFun. But you guys already seen me do FabFitFun, I think once or twice. Who knows? So I'll leave that for another day, or probably just go through it myself. So for $200, you guys get all of that stuff. Not bad, because if you're like me and you know that these essential oils cost like $10 each, that's a pretty good deal. And the diffusers themselves, like if you want something like that, it's going to cost you like $50, but if you want like something cheaper, it's going to cost you $20. I mean, that's the cheapest that I've seen it, because I got one in my son's room that actually works good and has light. You're going to spend the least amount, $20, that I've seen. So I'll give you guys the information. Check it out. And if you guys are interested, let me know. Or if you have any questions, write down in the comments below. And I'll see what I can do. If I know it, I'll look it up, or whatever it is. Just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.